Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important hiring from the Adobe and other company, that is the Uber and other important company, important hiring. So first important hiring from the Adobe, and they are hiring associate technical consultant and job location in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so this is the important job and everyone should apply. So who are eligible for this? So freshers are eligible. If you are 2024 2025 pass out, then you can apply for this. And this is a technical consultant, so you must have these knowledge of these HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you will assist in design, development, configuration of solution using all that things. So you can go through complete job link in the description. Okay, and eligibility criteria, that bachelor degree in computer science, IT or related. Next important hiring from the Uber, and they are hiring for 2026 software engineer 1. So this is the software engineer role, and 2025 B.Tech integral dual degree in computer science, electrical engineering or mathematical science or related fields are eligible. So you will demonstrate software engineering experience through previous internship and programming experience अगर आप में है, then you are good to go for this important hiring. And whoever are eligible, you should apply for this important opportunity. Coming to next important opportunity, that is from the Wipro. They are hiring quality analyst freshers only. Okay, so freshers are eligible for this. So if you are from the HSC, BSc, BCA eligible, B.Tech, M.Tech, they are not eligible. So if you are from BSc and BCA, and if you know any candidate, then you can share this job link with them. So if you are interested, you can share your CV to this one. Okay. Coming to next important opportunity, and from the Davik software Divic technology, and job location is Kochi and immediate joiner preferred. So relocation required, and position is junior Java developer. So freshers are eligible for this. So you will develop, test and maintain Java based application, troubleshoot, debug and resolve technical issue. And they are looking for the candidates who have strong Java fundamentals, knowledge of RESTful API and understanding of SQL. So if you are interested for this role, you can share your CV to this. Then friends, keep applying for lots of important opportunity. And currently TCS NQT mass hiring has been announced, which I have already provided you update. So they are hiring for 2024 2025 2026 pass out batch. So if you haven't applied through it, you can go to our video. Okay, and there I provided you update. And if you have been selected for any interview, then you can also participate in our mock interview form. I mean, you can fill our mock interview form. That will be beneficial for you. We will provide you dedicated feedback and tips to crack the real interview. Next important opportunity for the Kolkata based candidates, and job location is Lake Sector 5. So they are hiring software developer freshers. Okay, so if you are interested and if you have knowledge of Node.js, Python, Django, Ruby on Rails, Java, then you are good to go. You can share your resume and you can basically apply through this link, and the company name is Vyrazu Lab. This is also on the good company, so if you want, you can apply. Coming to next important opportunity, that is for the female candidate, and name is software engineer intern, Cisco women internship program. So I have already provided you update about this internship. So if you haven't applied for it, you can apply. Okay, and these are the eligibility criteria, you can go through it. Okay, so those who are graduated in 2028, then you can apply only. Next important opportunity from the TCS, and this is a walk-in drive. So if you are from the BA, BBA, BBM, BMS, PF, MCOM 2024 2025 pass out by, then you are eligible for this, and these are the mandatory requirements, so you can go through it. Friends, I regularly post lots of important job updates on my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe us, and that will basically beneficial for you. Don't miss any important opportunity. Okay, currently NQT hiring is going on, so you should apply, and if you need any help, then you can comment here. I will try to reply as soon as possible. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.